carefully. From 3 sum, I will just start doing it. So how we will do first, I will give you a very simple example first. Then we will solve the sum. Now suppose on the right hand side I am writing 2 and I am just giving you one box and giving you plus sign, and here I am just writing 5. Okay, so I told you that told to all of you that what will be the number so that the answer will be 5. It's very easy. You will tell that ma'am 3. How you have taken out actually from 5, you will just minus subtract 2 and the answer has come as 3. One more example I am giving. Suppose with 2, we take another number. Not, let me take 6 and with this I am just adding some number. It is coming as 9. So I told you how much number I am just writing. I will just add. So you will tell that ma'am it should be 3. So the both the answers are same. So no problem. 9 from 9 we have subtracted 6. So that is why it has been coming as 3. Okay, I hope that up to this everything is clear. Yes, nod your head or show me a thumbs up. If up to this is clear, just show me a thumbs up like this. Okay. So yeah. So these sums we will do. I'm just clearing all my screen and I am going to zoom the book so that it will be more easier for us to see. Now these are the smaller numbers, so it's very easy to find out. Now at one instant I am telling you just find out the number over here what is going to be added so that the answer is coming as 21. Now while I will put this type of sum, you will first just take out this part first. That means the ones position first, then tens position you will evaluate. Okay, so this is one position, not 0. Okay, and this is tens position, not any number. Okay. Now how this is 7 is a big number. Bigger than who? Bigger than this one. 1 is smaller than 7. So in this case, instead of 1 and 1 minus 7, this type of subtraction we haven't read till yet. You will learn in the higher class, but not now. So how you will do here? Here how we will consider? So here we consider 1 as 11. Okay. So from 11 we will just subtract 7. So the number will come as 4. So here we will put 4. Now here you can see 7 plus 4, 11. 1 is on the tens place. 1 plus 1, it is already 2. That means here 0 will be there. So nothing much. Like this way we will going to solve these sums. Okay. These sums are a little bit trickier than the previous sums. Though it's very interesting what I am telling you. That is why first you all learn, means listen to me what I am saying very carefully. After that I will give you some time. That time you will write everything whatever you are wanting to write. Okay. Now coming to the first sum. First sum you can see that 9 is a big number and here 1 is there. It is a small number. Okay, this is small by the way. So how much? So 1 we will consider as 11, and from 11 we will subtract 9. How much it is coming? This is coming as 2. So here we will write very easy. Now 9 plus 2, 11. 11 and 1 is here and another one is on the carry on, and which on which places it will be carry on the tens place. Up to this I hope that everyone understood. If you understood, just show me a thumbs up. If you have understood, just show me a thumbs up. If you have understood, just show me a thumbs up. Okay, so here So here what will happen? Now here you can see, first whatever number is there, we will take the addition. 1 and 6 is there. So here 7 is already there, and 1 plus 6, if we are going to do, always coming as 7. That means on the tens place in this fill in the blanks, there must be one 0. Okay, বিকজ একটা নাম্বার 4 ডিজিট নাম্বার লিখছি, তার মধ্যখানে একটা নাম্বার উড়ে গেছে, তো এরকম হতে পারে না। So that is why we will place 0 over here. Okay, so this part is done. Now it's very easy. 5 plus 1, it will be 6. We will write 6. And this part is 1000 part. He is also very easy. This part here, what we will do, from 6 we will minus 2, write minus 2, it will come as 4. So the number, what you will write in your copy, you will write this entire thing. How you will write? Take out your copy, give to the CW and date, and write 3A. Okay, I'm just not writing over here. Write 3A and just write the place value separately, and 2 1, this is coming as 9, right? Plus 4, plus here box you will draw wherever the number is there. Like this way you will just solve. Okay, and write the number very giving much gap, so that you will not face any kind of problem, and carry on also you need to write. Like this way in your copy you write. You understood, Aninda Vinabo? Yes. Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rest of the students, is there any kind of concept, any concept is there? Aratrika, you understood this sum? Okay, very good.
Yes.
Advika, okay, mute yourself. Advika, you understood? Just show me a thumbs up or nod your head. Okay. Very good. Prakriti, you understood? And Priyam, lastly, you understood? Unmute yourself. Yes, okay, very good. Very good. I hope that everyone understood. Complete it. I will give each sum, I will give much time to complete and cover, because this is a new concept in the maths. So I will give you time. Complete this sum, only then I will go to B and C. If completed, raise your hand. Okay. So the next sum I should show right now. Yes or no? Completed. Option 3A. If yes, please all of you raise your hand. Okay, so going to the next sum. First ones place we will solve. Okay, so here 3 is there and 5 is there. 5 is in the addend position and 3 is the sum. Now 3 is the sum means 3 is smaller than 5. So here it must be 13. 13 minus 5 and it will come as 8. So here we will write as 8. Now 8 plus 5 means while we are just adding this 2, it is coming as 13. 3 and carry on 1 will be sitting on the play on the head of the tens, right? Now here it's very easy that 8 plus 1 equal to 9, 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 0 we will put and 1 we will put. Now what I am saying, just listen to it. Aninga Vinabo, don't talk much. Listen to it very carefully. 1 plus 4 equal to 5 means this is also already answer is coming as 5 and here 2. So that means 2 means 12. From 12 we will subtract 5. From 12 we will subtract 5 and this will come as how much? 7. So here we will write 7. Now when it is 12, so carry on the thousand place we will write 1. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. So from 8, if we are going to subtract 6, it will come as 2. So the answer will be exactly like this. Rest of the things you don't have to worry. Yes, Prakriti, completed. And
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself. If completed, you can try the C sum. C, D, E, F. Up to F today we will do. You can just proceed one by one sum. I will just also showing you. So I'm just solving the C sum. C sum is first 11 to 6. We will just subtract. It will come as 5. Now this 8 plus 1 9, and from 11 we will just subtract 9. It will come as 2. 7 plus 8 15, and 1 8 and 9. Sorry. So this is your answer. Complete it very fast. Complete it, only then I will go to the next D, E, F. These sums. Yes, Sharanya.
Ma'am, I have completed
Okay, I'm just clearing.
from A to I.
Okay. Wait for your friend. So going to the next page. Next page also we will do few more sums over here. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 we will put 1 as the carry on. Okay, now 3 plus 4 equal to 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Since 3 plus 4 is already 4, that means with 4 we are adding 0. That is why it is becoming 4 only. Now, please keep your side mute. Now here 6 is a bigger number. From bigger number we will easily subtract a smaller number. So it will come as 5. And 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Here I'm just going to the E sum. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 6 we will put. Now 2 is here and 5 is here. So 2 we will consider as 12, and 12 minus 5 it will be 7. 7. Now 7 plus 12, 5 is equal to 12, and 1 is carry on. One is carry on. So here we will do one thing. 3 plus 1 first we will consider. It will come as 4. Okay. And from 6 we will subtract 4. It will come as 2. So here we will write 2, and this part in the thousands part. It is very easy. Very easy means 5 minus 4. It will come as 1. So this is the sum. Exactly sum you will write in your copy. And if sum also I am showing. If sum also I am showing. So 1 is there and 8 is there. 8 is bigger number, 1 is smaller number. So we will consider 1 as 11. So here we will put 3. Now 8 plus 1 equal to 11, and here also 1 carry on 1 will be there. Now 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 is equal to 4. Okay, now here coming to the 100 place, 5 and 4 is there. 14 minus 5, it will come as 14 minus 5, it will come as 9. Here you have to put 9. Okay, now this is very easy. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So this sum you will write, sorry, this sum you will write this. If you complete up to it. Okay, GHI also you can complete right now, or you can just do it in the homework, whatever you want to do. No need to raise your hand because I will take the attendance. Okay. No need to raise the hand. No need, if completed, no need to raise the hand. I will take the attendance right now. Wait for a while I will my attendance part will be completed. That time I will just lower your hand. Otherwise, if you are going to miss your attendance, I will not recheck it. Now GHI, I'm showing all the sums. GHI, I'm showing all the sums. Okay. So 9 plus 6 equal to 15, and 1 will be there. 9 plus 8, 8 equal to 17, and 1 18, and again 1 will be there. So 9 plus 1 10. From 9 we can't subtract 10. That is why we will take 19 minus 10. This is on the 100 place. Okay. So it will come as again 9. Carry on one. This is your problem. Just complete up to this. Complete up to this. This will be your today homework. No need to post or no need to post it in the assignment section.